Intro to Dynamic Formulas. In the previous video, we recommend avoid using formulas, using functions instead. But if we have to use formulas, let's use dynamic formulas. So what is a dynamic formula? A dynamic formula is easy to populate. You can quickly copy the formula down and to the right without too much effort. Second, a dynamic formula is easy to update. You can quickly get the updated value upon refreshing. So when we talk about dynamic formulas, a lot of people think of VLOOKUP. That's right. VLOOKUP is usually the first dynamic formula that people learned in order to automate their processes rather than finding values manually. For those who are new to VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP formula looks something like VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index number. So, for example, we want to look up the price for a certain product. We know the product name, so that's the lookup value. And we will look for the price in the price table, which is the table array, and then the column index number refers to the column for the price. So by using VLOOKUP, we can quickly find the price for a certain product. However, VLOOKUP is only semi-dynamic, and let me show you why. First, it is not hard links, so that's why it is sort of dynamic, but it can only look up from left to right. The first column is where the lookup key holds. It cannot be any other column. Second, the column index number is hard-coded value, like 3 in this case. So the solution will be a more dynamic formula, which we are going to cover in this video. It's called index and match. So in this course, we are going to show you the top 10 dynamic formulas that you can use to build your Excel modeling.